In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Firebase project on your computer. It can be Mac or Windows, doesn't matter. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first we need to click the browser. Any browser you can use, like Chrome or Safari. I'm going to use Chrome browser for this video, and very shortly it will be open. Now I'm going to access google.com and hit enter key. Then we are seeing like that. Now we need to search on keyword by typing on keyword, which is called like Firebase console. Okay, so now we'll see like this Firebase console, and we'll see the search result is like that. So from here we have to choose console.firebase.google.com, this one. So I'm going to click over there, and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now here, for my case, my account is already logged in, that's why I see my account is there. But for your case, when you try to use Firebase for the first time, it will try to ask you to put the username and password, and you must need to sign in using your Google account, and then you'll find like this. Now to create a project, what you need to do there, once you logged in successfully on your Firebase console, then you will see like this type of user interface. So here there is two options are there: create a new Firebase project, and the second option is start coding an app. So there are a couple of other options are there, but I'm not going to show you everything. Rather, I'm going to create a Firebase project from here. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will be open like this. Create a project. This is the control panel, and let's start with a name for your project. Enter your project name. Suppose I want to name the project like FewSteps, and once you start typing like this, it is showing that this is already this is not available. I can use this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some extra thing like FewSteps mock API. Just I type like this, FewSteps mock API. I'm going to like create a project with mock API. That's why I'm using this name, but it's fine if you are using some other name. Then we have to press the continue button to go to the next step. And once we click here, it is asking like to enable Google Analytics for your Firebase project. If you are interested, you can enable it, or you can click here to disable it. So I'm going to enable it. For your case, you can disable it, it's fine. Now press the continue button to go to next step, and here it is showing configure Google Analytics. If you want to integrate Google Analytics, you can also integrate with this thing. So like this way you can actually configure, or like if you already have an analytic account, you can do this from like configure from one of the option. Otherwise you can create a new one. I'm going to choose a new account and new Google Analytics account name. So I have to type a name like FewSteps mock API, same name, and then I'm going to press the save button, and here I see that it is the name of the analytics account, and this is US based. That's why it is choosing like this. If you are in some other country, we can also choose from there. Now here it is showing use default settings for sharing Google Analytics data. You can check this thing, or you can uncheck also. If you uncheck, what will happen? It will bring you this type of data like benchmarking, technical support, and so many things. Okay, so there is two options. You can use the default settings, or you can choose whatever you need like that. So I'm going to choose default, and also I agree. Then I'm going to choose the create project. Once we click over there, very shortly we'll see our project will be ready. Here it is showing like it is doing some task background, and this is my project name, FewSteps mock API, and this circle may complete like 2 or 3 steps, and once it is done, basically you can access there. And on the project is creation successful, then you will get this type of message: your Firebase project is ready. Now we just need to press the continue button to access our Firebase project, and very shortly we'll see this is my project. Here it is showing project overview, and this is the name of the project, FewSteps mock API, and there are some other things. Now we see that our project is ready, and we can leave this tab open, or we can close it, and later if we need to use it, we can use this Firebase project very easily. And that's it. In this way we can easily create a brand new Firebase project in Google using any browser.